What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to place some live trade with the help of candlestick psychology. To make it happen, I will not use any indicator. As you know that I do not use any indicator while trading. So let me analyze the market. This is Euro, this is GBP pair, and we can see the market is an uptrend, but here we have some sellers momentum. Okay, let me draw the level first. This is very good level to trade. Okay, so I think the candle close at the level here, but still there is gap and the momentum is down, so it's not good to place here higher option. I need to wait, yes, for another candle to place higher or lower option. Let's see how the candle forming, then I'll decide to place the trade after this candle. Okay, we can see the market is going down all the way. Now I have to check the level first here. It's a resistance level and this is support level. There is gap, so I'm going to place here lower option. This is gap down. Market is going down and this is horizontal level and this is trend line. So both the level telling us that market want to go down, so therefore I placed here lower option. Let's see. I think I'm going to win my trade. Now the candle is stronger, but I want to, okay, not now. If the candle close here, then I will go with buyers, otherwise still we can go with sellers, I think. No, not now, because see the candle close above than the previous level here. Okay, otherwise we can go with sellers, but at the candle close with huge rejection from lower side, the candle close at the level. From here we have some buyers entry. This is breakout candle, we know now. So it's not good to go with sellers here, because at the end the candle can reject and close as a green candle. So I have to wait for next minute to place our trade here. Let's see, there is no sellers, we can see. This is red candle, but there is no sellers activities. Okay, no market movement, as you can see. Okay, now I have placed here higher option for next minute. See, I have placed here higher option for next minute. This is good trade, but as this is very strong momentum, so I may lost my this trade, but this is good place to trade here. But this is good area to place our trade here higher option. So I placed here higher option, therefore let's see. Okay, so I'm going to lose my trade here, I think. But as we have seen that very strong buyer's entry from here and suddenly seller's entry and candle close at the level, so there was on sign to enter here buyers, but also the candle close at the level here. Okay, this is round number, so I'm going to place here lower option. I have placed here double trade, as you can see, $100, because I'm expecting that candle also will close as a red candle, because this is very strong sellers momentum now, I have lost my trade here, but it's supposed to not, because the candle close exactly at the level from where we have strong buyer's entry, and the candle close at the level, at the support level. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm going to win this trade, because at the end sellers will enter definitely. Yes. Okay, so I have recovered my lost. Now after this candle there is no any confirmation, because still there is gap. Okay, let me bring this line here. There is gap that due to this gap the gap can be filled, or this is very weak candle by the sellers. So due to this weakness, due to this rejection, there can be buyers entry. But after this candle, definitely we can go with buyers. So let me check the left side if there is level or not. There is a level. Here we can see on level, yes, and this is good level to trade to. So no, after this candle we should not go with buyers or sellers. Maybe we can go with sellers, but I don't have enough confidence, because this rejection. Okay, I'm going to place a lower option because of this rejection, because of this gap. I have checked the level on the left side here, and the candle is going to close as a red candle. Also I have placed the trade with some marginal safety. This is very strong seller's entry. The lower side has some rejection, I mean some buyers interested, but that is not enough to make a green candle here. But now buyers are trying, so I think market will try to reach this level again here. So definitely after that we can expect some buyers entry. It's a winning trade. So after this we can expect buyers entry up to this level, this line here. This trend line, up to this trend line we can expect buyers entry, and then maybe the market will move toward to down. But I'm not going to place any trade here. Why? Because this is very strong sellers momentum now. Okay, if the candle again weak, then we'll decide to place my trade here after this candle. If this is weak buyers entry, then sellers will try to enter. Okay, again sellers entry because of this momentum. Now let me check if there is strong level or not. This is a level. Okay, so you can see there is gap up. So due to this gap up, sellers will take an advantage, and the candle might be going to close as a red candle. But if the candle close within this level, within this candle, then we can go with buyers on next candle, but not in this candle. So I have to wait for 20 seconds. At the end, I think the sellers will enter. Yes, this is what I was expecting. Now I will try to go with buyers. Yes, I have placed here higher option for next minute, because I have found some new high here. This is rejection by the buyers, and again some buyers entry. So after this candle we can expect buyers entry, and this is I think good trade. Let's see what happened. So till now I have placed 5 trades. One is running and one is losing trade, but here I have recovered the lost because I have placed here double trade. So total 6 trade because here is double, 6 trade. So last one is running. Still we have 10 seconds. Okay, at the end, let's see. Yes. Okay, so finally I have won the trade. Now buyers is weaker. According to this candle formation, they're supposed to be quite strong buyers, but due to this strong sellers momentum, there we have weakness from buyers. Now after this candle, we should not take any decision because due to weakness from buyers, their sellers can enter, or due to this buyers entry, it can be weak buyers, but still it's a buyer, so there can be buyers entry. So this is what happening. So after this candle we don't have any trade. This is very strong buyer's entry. If the candle close at least to this level, then we might think about selling like lower option, but this is not that much strong. And the candle form after very strong selling pressure, it means after this strong buyers there can be sellers entry too. Yes, this is what the candlestick psychology. But don't place higher option after this candle, even not lower option. But if this candle form here middle of this trend, then definitely after this strong candle you can go with sellers. Okay, if the candle close here, exactly here, then we can decide to go with buyers again. But if the candle close middle of this candle, then we don't have any trade. So till now I have placed 6 trade. Out of 6, I have one loss. No, there is no confirmation, but mostly buyers will enter. Let me change the pair. Yes. So this is almost same situation. Sellers are entering. There is gap to this level, so the gap might be filled. And no, there is no gap down. Only like few pips here. Okay, direct sellers entry from here. There is no buyers. Okay, this candle become weaker, so I think buyers will, okay, at the end buyers entry. See, this is what the market, as the time is little late, so I think it's better to avoid trading. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be back soon with another great lesson. Till then, take care.